walk over it.
Yeah, keep going though. I'll push this one.
What is still connected? You know what that is? That's the back in the vent. No, that's the speedometer cable. We didn't get it. Yep, one thing left.
Well, we're not stressing it, so
Close. That we need to get under there. Can you get that with a piece of pliers, some pliers?
I don't know. I don't know anything under there.
No, I'm talking from the top.
Yeah.
We're almost there.
We're almost there. Get it? That's it.
That's it.
Right. How about pull back a little bit? Stop.
It's such a big transmission.
I got it if you want to pull it back. Oh. All right. Go ahead.
Get some good footage, Dad.
What's the top? How are we doing on the top?
We need to go back and look for that at the grocery store. Once we get that oil pan clear, we should be good. Is it okay if we start going over a little bit? Because the garage door opener is going to be in the way.
Well, you know what? We can take the whole thing out now. All we have to do is just see if we can just turn it up like that.
Can you turn it up? I'll pull it. One,
Christmas is coming, and we're hosting our annual Tag event at Dallas
Ma-
Gold and Silver
Ma-
Exchange.
Hold
We
on.
marked down our best-selling diamond jewelry collection, engagement rings, wedding bands, pendants and necklaces, bracelets and earrings.
Oh,
An
man,
additional
it's farther than I
25% off our already best
You
price.
can pump it up just a
It's
little
the
bit more.
perfect opportunity to get those red bow gifts before the holiday rush. Visit any of our nine DFW area Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange locations this week, or click the banner to get your
You pull it back, just watch it.
Yeah.
Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange, DGSE.com.
Ready?
Oh, oh.
Take that plastic piece off.
Ow.
Take that top off.
Don't hit the bulb.
Yeah. For garage.
Pull down on that.
You can pull it out now. Just watch your opener because you're still close to it. There it is.